Good morning, students. In my previous class, I have discussed about the asexual reproduction in flowering plants. I have discussed the natural method of vegetative propagation. Today, I shall discuss about the artificial or horticultural methods of vegetative propagation. What do you mean by artificial or horticultural methods? These are the techniques developed by human beings to propagate desired varieties of plants. There are following methods of artificial or horticultural methods of vegetative propagation. These are cutting, second layering, third air layering. It is a type of layering, and fourth grafting method. Now I am going to discuss about the cutting method. It is a method of artificial vegetative propagation in which a suitable piece of stem of a plant is cut and its one end is buried or placed in the moist soil. This suitable piece should contain nodes. When it is placed in moist soil, after few days, it develops root and it gives rise to new plant. It is a very common method used by our farmers in case of sugarcane. This method can be used in the case of grapes, rose, bougainvillea. It is very easy method. For example, sugarcane, grapes, rose, bougainvillea, etc. Now I am going to discuss about the layering method. It is also a very easy method. In this method, lower branches of some plants are pulled down and they are covered with moist soil. After few days or time, covered part develops adventitious roots. And this underground part, after few days, develops new plant. Now these branches can be cut. Since it develops root, so it can absorb minerals or water from the soil, and so it produces an independent plant. By this method, we can produce new plants. This method can be applied in the case of strawberry and jasmine and some other plants. Now I am going to discuss about the air layering method. It is also a type of layering method, and it is usually used in big plant. You can say that in tree like mango, lychee, guava, orange, etc. In this method, in aerial branch, a ring of 3 to 5 centimeter, 3 to 5 centimeter ring is made by removing the bark of this aerial branch. Injured part is covered with moist clay soil, and it is covered with a piece of cloth or polythene. Usually this method is applied in the early rainy season. Phytohormones like auxin can be used to develop root. After 3 months, injured part develops adventitious root. When it develops adventitious root, it is cut near the base and it is placed in the soil. After few time, it develops as an independent plant. So in this method, we can develop new plant easily, in easy way, or this method can be used in mango, lychee, guava, orange, etc. This method can be used in lemon also. Now I am going to discuss about the last artificial method of vegetative propagation, grafting method. Grafting method. It is a technique to join the two different parts of different plants in such way that they develop as a single composite plant which contains characteristics of both different plants. In this method, two parts of different plants are taken. One part is fixed with ground or soil and contains root. This part is known as a stalk, and other part is known as sign. SCIOS. It may contain leaves, cyan does not contain root. It may contain leaves. Now, a groove is made in stalk. A complementary structure is made in cyan. Now, cyan is inserted in this groove of stalk. This injured part or joint of these two different parts of plant is covered with moist soil. And it is wrapped with polythene or cloth. Phytohormones of gene can be used to develop new cells rapidly to heal the injured part. After few months, these different parts of plants develop as a single plant. By this method, we can obtain desired varieties of products. By this method, we can develop fruits in young cyan. When a stalk, in this case, stalk should be matured. In this method, more than two cyan can be inserted in the same stalk. By this method, we can obtain different varieties of product. It is a very useful method, and it can be applied in the agricultural field to obtain different or desired varieties of product. Now I am going to discuss about the importance of vegetative propagation. Importance of vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is very useful method. It is very easy method to develop new plant. Next importance, it is less expensive method. Third, we can develop large number of plants in a short period. by this method. We can produce new plants from those plants which are seedless. We can obtain desired varieties of products by this method. So we can say that vegetative propagation is a very useful method. It has great importance. Now, vegetative propagation in flowering plants has been finished. In next class, I shall discuss about the asexual method of reproduction in animal. Thank you to watch this class. If you like my class, you subscribe my channel and send your comment. Thank you.